Have you ever dreamed of picking fresh organic vegetables right from your backyard without spending a fortune? Today, I'm going to show you how to grow your own food on a budget. Trust me, it's easier than you think and incredibly rewarding. So stick around because we've got a lot of tips to cover. Let's kick things off with seeds. Did you know a single packet of seeds, costing less than a cup of coffee, can yield a whole season of produce? Start with easy-to-grow, budget-friendly crops like lettuce, radishes, and green beans. These grow quickly and are perfect for beginners. Start small and smart. You don't need a huge garden to get started. Use containers or recycle old buckets, jars, and even plastic bottles. Just make sure they have drainage holes. This way, you're saving money and reducing waste. Now, let's talk soil. High-quality soil can be expensive, but you can make your own compost at home. Use kitchen scraps, like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Not only does this recycle waste, but it also creates nutrient-rich soil that your plants will love. Water is crucial, but you don't need to see your water bill skyrocket. Collect rainwater using a rain barrel or place buckets outside when it rains. It's a fantastic way to water your garden for free, and plants actually prefer rainwater. Don't underestimate the power of sunlight. If you're short on outdoor space, grow herbs and small plants on your windowsill. They'll get plenty of light, and you can easily care for them. Plus, having fresh herbs at your fingertips is a game changer for cooking. One of my favorite tips is to share and trade with friends and neighbors. Swap seeds, share tools, or trade your homegrown veggies for something you didn't grow. This builds a sense of community, saves money, and adds variety to your garden. Imagine making meals with vegetables you grew yourself. Not only are you saving money, but you're also eating healthier. Fresh, homegrown food has a flavor that store-bought produce just can't match. Running out of space. Try vertical gardening. Use old pallets, shoe organizers, or build your own vertical planters. This maximizes your growing area and is perfect for small spaces like balconies and patios. Worried about pests? You don't need expensive chemicals. Use natural remedies like neem oil, soap sprays, or companion planting to keep those pesky bugs away. It's safer for you, your plants, and the environment. As your garden grows, you'll see the savings add up. Fewer trips to the grocery store and more fresh organic food right at your doorstep. Plus, gardening is a great way to relax, get some exercise, and connect with nature. So, whether you have a big yard or just a small balcony, you can start growing your own food on a budget today. Remember, every little step helps, and soon you'll have a thriving garden. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more budget-friendly gardening tips. See you next time.